Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking an online Ubuntu environment and signing in. Once logged, create or start a new instance and select Ubuntu as the image. This gives you a full shell quickly. Open the terminal or web console pane and wait until you see a prompt like user at hostname $. Make sure to note the shell type, bash or zsh. Once done, run ls and pwd to confirm the file view and working directory before proceeding to install tools. Now you install and configure the key tools you need. First, update the package list and upgrade, then install Git, curl, and build essential so compilation and fetching work. Configure your Git name and email and add an SSH key with SSH keygen. Copy the public key to services you use. Make sure to create or pull dot files to set aliases and prompts. Once these steps complete, test git clone on a repo and run a small compile or script to verify the environment. To finish, run quick checks, verify compiler and language versions, and run a tiny program or script to ensure runtime behavior. Save your workspace snapshot or export configuration so you can resume later. If something fails, make sure to read the terminal error, check file permissions with LSL, and inspect /var/log or apt logs for clues. If packages won't install, check your sources list and run sudo apt fixbroken install. These steps resolve most issues and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.